Tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent.
Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing good, alhamdulillah. So what I have for you guys today is actually a makeup video. It is actually a get ready with me video to a wedding, inshallah. So I'm just gonna beat my face, and so you're gonna see how that look, guys. I'm not really going to go, it's not gonna be a talk through video, but I think I'm going to show you what I'm using. So what I have on my face at the moment is actually I've washed my face, moisturized it. I used the ordinary oil because I have very dry skin, so this is what I use, and it's called organic cold pressed. Is a seed oil. Yeah, so that's what I have on my face at the moment. And concealing my brows is a MAC concealer in the shade NC45. My eyebrows, the Anastasia. I'm looking down because I have my mirror here, and I think to use these two because this is similar to my skin color. This is lighter, so I'm going to use both my MAC concealer, and then I take the cover up, blend it together, guys. Together. Guys, I'm actually going to put some music on because I feel like, you know, I need a little bit of Somali thing going on. Haye, ana lama dari kabo, fish kai kabo, ang kabo de sugabo. Kumare lo sheegayo, kumbay gabal shawrisa. Adan kala soo baxo, aniga kaliga ku jecel. U sheeg ba? Tidak. Ilod, kawad. Dhaqankiyo hidii baad haysataa, hooyada macaan kuu soo habsay. Been maahan. Aniyane halkankaagaan u bogin, aniyane. Ayaa, ka bax, ka kac. Wajiga kalar buu baahan yahay, mafahanteen? Water eyeliner actually. Hello, put it on monkey hobo, over seaman, over hobo. Guys, I'm gonna be back. I'm just gonna go and put some lashes on, and my sister doesn't want to be on camera, so let's see. This MAC burgundy lipstick. No, not feeling it. God, I feel sorry for my lips. I have eyes.
Kolla.
It's for the eyes.
Ser jättefin ut.
Is it better?
Nej.
Don't you think it's too red? A little bit, maybe. We do need that. We do need that shiny, 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 yeah, shiny, yeah. All I do is shiny, yeah. I don't know the song. I don't really know the lyrics to that song. Anyways, but
you look beautiful even without makeup.
thank you. Oh my god. Yeah, if you don't have friends like that, cut them. 2020 is about having great energy around you and we need people like that, who even when you look the ugliest, you feel the ugliest, they're like, you know what, girl, you are shining, you are popping, you are.
No,
Thank
really,
you, sweetie.
Really, you do.
I know, but you too.
You have
Wallahi,
a clear
beautiful
skin, you know?
Thank you. Have you seen your skin? You know what she has? She has the most beautiful jawline I've ever seen. Wallahi, her jawlines
like
are. I don't know why you don't like it. I do not have any jawlines. My jawlines are not in existence. They're not here, guys. They don't even exist.
You bought in Holland.
Huh?
The red dress you bought in Holland. Why don't you put it on?
No, because it's a Somali thing. When you go into a Somali weddings, or me personally, I like to have my
Because
Somali
you went to a
attire.
wedding tonight, so you have to.
Attire? I think, yeah. No, this is a tradition thing. I'm gonna show you. Guy, you're gonna love it. I promise you. Somali dira'as at the bang. Kawnasho, like in the bang. You know? You all know what kawnasho is. So it's about, you know, covering yourself up and finding ways that works for you. So see you. If I came home with that, I mean, وقصار بنتي وقصار ما بقى فيدي نلاشا ونلا ونور يا حياتي. You got you yourself and I that's the new you yourself and I. If you don't find anyone to put a ring on, baby girl, you put a ring on it first. When you have put a ring on it, and then when someone comes and wants to replace that ring, if they're not worth of that ring replacement, cut them. قبحي كبودي كعرر كأرض سي كتر ماشي كله.
What is that dream one?
I don't know what I'm talking about, guys. So see you in a couple minutes. But anyways, I just want to show you. This is the look I went for. The finished look and what I'm wearing. So what I'm wearing is this مقبل درع in the color green, as you can see. And I'm wearing a regular hijab. Nothing too fancy, just a chiffon hijab. I tied it here, so I have a pin underneath here, guys, as you can see.
Dabakaga qurxiyo dhaqanka suuban waad dhalato hablaha dhigayad Dabakaga qurxiyo dhaqanka suuban waad dhalato hablaha dhigayad hablaha dhigayad bidiyay qiimo dheer tahay Allah dawri asan daraayo oya amina idibta kugu dhalay badriya dhimanay kugu dhalay badriya dhimanay kugu dhalay
So if you like this kind of video, please just don't forget to click on that subscribe button and like my videos, and also share with your Ayeyo and Edo and Abtil and everyone that you can share with, basically.